Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your National Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search National Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.nbc.ca. It will then take you to the official website of National Bank. There, click to sign in on the top right corner, then choose Personal. Then you will be redirected to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your email address, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can view your password by clicking to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to sign in. Then you should be able to access your National Bank account. If you have forgotten your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgotten Password. To make login easier for next time, click to Remember My Email ID. Remember my email ID, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.